AgentGrade is a website that tells you how visible your website is to large language models such as Claude, ChatGPT, Perplexity, and so on. If this is your first time here, my name is Jay, and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here. As you can see, they've got quite a simple landing page, nice and sleek. I'm just going to type in my website, which of course is jjohnson.co.uk. I'm going to click scan. I'm going to see exactly what we get from AgentGrade here. I wonder how long it's going to take. It seems to be quite quick, and I'm getting an A, which is pretty cool. So of course I have put in a lot of work to make sure my website is very visible to AI crawlers, and I am actually rolling out a product in case anyone's interested. It's called Cited.online, which basically generates an infographic for you, a very detailed infographic at first for free, and tells you exactly, what you need to do in terms of improving your website standings for AI visibility. You can just upload the markdown file or the PDF. It's the same document, but you get it as a markdown file and a PDF. You can just upload that into Lovable, Base 44, whatever your sort of website builder of choices, and then just create a plan to remedy any of those AI GEO or AEO issues. In any case, let's head back to AgentGrade and let's take a look at what we've got here. So I'm getting an A for crawlability. Of course, I made sure my site is very crawlable. Another A for understanding. Cool. Okay, so we can actually take a look at what we've got here. Image alt text coverage. Okay, 50% alt text coverage across 4 images. Interesting stuff. So what I would do now is I would basically like all the things that aren't 100 out of 100, basically copy all of that text, smash it into Codex or Claude Code, be like, create a plan to remedy these issues. Got that sorted, boom, already improved my website. So yeah, I think this is quite interesting. We've got the fix these first card telling us exactly what we need to improve. That image alt text coverage is there as well. We can also run a page speed test, which is pretty cool, and we can see the warnings in terms of understanding, answer readiness as well, scannable lists and tables, so use lists, number steps, and comparison tables for key information. Cool stuff. And we've also got AI native section here, which is a C, so that could be improved.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
Okay, cool. Well, in any case, I think this is a great website. I'd like to thank Chris Duffy for putting me onto this. And yeah, if you guys have any sort of websites or AI tools you'd like me to check out, definitely drop them in the comments or send me a message, however you would like to. Yeah, thanks for watching and have a great day.